Forest Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern York County in southwestern Maine, southern Oxford County in western Maine, southwestern Cumberland County in southwestern Maine, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Naples, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Naples, Gorham, Buxton, Hollis, Hiram, Standish, Raymond, Waterboro, Scarborough, Casco, Leamington, Denmark, Fry Island, Sebago, Baldwin, and Windham. This also includes Sebago Lake and Douglas Mountain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Near Sebago Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close. Struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties in Maine: Cumberland, Oxford, and York.